We'll guide you through how to import XML file in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the application launches, look at the menu bar located at the bottom of the screen. Among the available options in the menu bar, find the Project section. When you find it, click on it to open your project library. After entering the Project section, look at the top area of the screen. There you will see an option labeled Upload XML File. Press the Upload button to begin importing your XML file into Alight Motion. Once you press the button, the app will automatically open your device's file manager. Inside the file manager, search for the XML file that you would like to use. Take your time and navigate through your folders until you find the correct file. When you locate the XML file, simply press on it to select and open it. After the XML file has been loaded, press the play button to preview the XML video. Watch the preview carefully so you can see how the project looks before opening it for editing. While previewing the project, check all the footage below before you import the XML. Make sure everything appears correctly and that all the clips are present in the project. Once you have finished reviewing the XML project and checking all of the clips, press the Next button located at the top of the screen. After pressing Next, the project will open inside the Alight Motion editor. If you want to make changes to the project, simply select the layer that you want to edit. After selecting the layer, you can modify it however you like using the available editing tools inside Alight Motion. By following these steps in order, you can successfully import XML files into Alight Motion and begin working with the project immediately without any extra setup required afterward.